All right, when I was in Georgia a couple weeks ago, I ran across my old high school buddy, Stan Acey. Stan was telling me he might shut down his machine shop in South Jackson. I said, oh no, not until we come down there. Oh, we got to go to Jackson first.
Get my money! Right! The citizens of Jackson breaking for the border. Madison County, here it comes! Oh, that Richmond PD don't play that. Get back across that border. Get back! Man, hey man, no, don't shoot! Oh, jeez. It's only a cell phone. It's only a cell phone. Don't shoot. It is general mayhem in the streets of Jackson, folks. Run, save yourself. Oh my goodness. Somebody's about to get cut. Where Kingfish? Uh-oh. Here come Kingfish. I want to know what those shooting scores are. Whoa. Somebody getting out of Jackson, one way or the other. Two times for everybody.
It's got a step.
Yeah, I'm Stan Acey. I grew up mechanicing and grew up in the street rod world. Always wanted a speed shop and a machine shop. And mechanic for I don't know how many years, and I hurt my back. Then I went to school, got out of school, worked for Bell South, and I bought in a speed shop. 4 guys, and wound up buying all them out. And my speed shop burned down years later, and then I rented a building on top of a hill behind it and turned it into a machine shop, and that's where we at, about 29 years. Machine. Back when it first started, the Street Outlaws, the 405 in Oklahoma, they were the fastest streetcars in the world. A little old Kai come from Macomb, Mississippi, and a little 638 right there. Went down there and outrun all the kings, outrun all of them. Then he was the fastest streetcar in the world. So Kai's a man, he can roll.
So under this tarp is his motor.
That's the original motor that
Went all the races right here.
right there. That's it.
All right, well, y'all, we're gonna take a look. Oh, look at that thin wall. You can't put a bigger piston in that block if you had to. Look how they're touching. They're Siamese. That is close, y'all. How many races before that it comes apart and meets each other? I don't know. How tough is that?
It's pretty tough.
Okay.
Yeah, it's aftermarket everything.
Okay. Wow. Beautiful.
Car County by half a car.
Car County by half a car.
Yes, sir. I thought he drove around it.
Okay. Now look, he's got the weight machine, gonna weigh every rod, the lower and the upper, to be sure they weigh the same. He'll take a little bit off top or the bottom, depend. Okay. Man. Wow, there it is. Oh, big blockhead right there. That way it's architect. It's all about lightweight, strength. We got Bondo dust.
Lockhart Air Force Base.
Right.
Designed that off a B-52 bomber, that Cadillac off of an
Okay.
airplane. That's how they got the tail lights and
Yeah.
you know everything off of. Designed it off.
You sure are. This is the biggest car Cadillac ever made. Don't get too close to it, but look at how long it is. And this was 1959. This was no big deal. We drove big cars. But this today,
Excuse me.
believe it. I think we've had an accident.
Well, I won't report you this time, but next time just watch it, will you?
Heath, you look good in this thing. It's just about a minute. Golly.
A lot of people look like a Batman. I didn't go LS.
Okay, yeah, it's big. Is it 429 or 500? That's a 500 cubic inch motor. That means for y'all, it's a 8-something liters. Look at the beautiful grill work. All right, these are one of my favorite cars. I've had a couple, but I wish I had one now. The Nova. Well, here's the jet fuel. Here's all your what kind of fuels we got in here? Just high octane.
We can race. I'm gonna get on the motorcycle. Let's do it. I called that one. That one over there.
All right, let's go see Stan Acey's junkyard in the back.
So I seen a big old fly. Yeah, we were gonna go over there until we were flat. I don't just
The roof raises up so you can stand up in it. Yes, and you got a bump bed upstairs.
I like it interior.
Yeah, you can sleep upstairs in it.
look at that. It looks like the Outer Banks man.
It does. It looks like the Outer Banks van.
It's got a stove, refrigerator.
A stone.
This is where you sit on top of the motor on this truck. See, it's so short, but it's so big. See, the motor is sitting right there. Ooh, look at this. This is a 1969 RS SS Camaro.
That is a 2002 Lincoln LS. With a
Conversion
the
sitting
whole
on
body,
it.
the whole
Yeah.
body sitting on the whole.
Okay. So like the wheelbase lined up pretty good? Y'all, this is gonna be all brand new, modern stuff under old car. Look at that. So you can drive an old car cross country, but if you're scared, go brand new. Yeah.
Look at the dash way.
Let's go look at the dash inside. We got a new car and an old car. Let's sit in this thing. Come on, get on wide angle lens. Oh yeah. Yep, who would have thought? Ride across country in a 59 Rambler, what is it? 59 Rambler with brand new running gear from a Lincoln Continental. Now that is cool. Or not. Why do I think it's important to show the kids a working machine shop? Back when I was their age, the phone book was full of them. You used to be able to repair a set of heads. You could rebuild your motor. And those days are coming to an end. When Acey sets it down, it'll be down to one last machine shop. And I just don't think that's a good thing.